Hello everybody, it's Katie from Japan Crafts here. I thought I'd do a little video for a change to show you something very special that's just arrived from Japan this morning. It's something from Olympus, who I know a lot of you buy a lot anyway for your Sashiko supplies. And it's something that I'm very excited to see. I don't know what is in this box. It's apparently the first time in the world that anybody has received this product, so I thought we could open it together and see what it looks like. If you've read the last newsletter that I put out, you will know that this is coming, so you might have some inkling as to what's inside the box. So let's get on and unbox it, shall we? Got my little pair of scissors here. I'm just going to very carefully cut the tape, because obviously I don't want to damage what's inside, and I don't know what it's wrapped in, although I'm sure it's wrapped very carefully, as everything usually is from Japan. Here we go. Oh. Do you know what it is yet? That's worked. Here we go. Oh. They have really strong parcel tape in Japan. It's absolutely brilliant. Ooh, so first of all we've got some sheets here, and these show you all of the Olympus Sashiko threads. And if you haven't guessed already, here in the box is a cabinet which has just been released from Japan a couple of days ago, and it contains every single thread in the Olympus range. So that's over £650 worth of Sashiko threads. So if you're into Sashiko, as a lot of you are, this is just such a lovely thing to have. It's like a little library, and then once you've used your favourite colour, you can replace it very easily with another one. So this is a chart, and it looks like there's a couple of bits of paper in here maybe. It's even got Japan Crafts in the corner, so you know where you've got it from. And it's got all of the threads. It's got the 20 meters, the 100 meters, the lame, the sparkly ones, and the thin thread balls as well. And these are the awairo shade of 40 meter threads. So I'm sure some of you will have used some of these yourselves already. But now I think we should get on to the main event, because I'm very excited to see this. I'm going to have a look, see if I can do this gracefully. Probably not. Let's put it on its side. I don't know which way up it's going to be. Let's try and get this out of the box. It is quite heavy, because you've got so many threads inside. I think what I'm going to do is just put it down on its side and then lift the box off, and hopefully this will work and not go horribly wrong. Here we go. Oh, there we go. And as I suspected, it is very carefully wrapped in bubble wrap. So let's just cut this off. I'm sure you'll be able to reuse this for something else. So as I said, what's inside is every single thread from the Olympus Sashiko thread range, and this has never been brought together like this before. Oh, wrapped in another layer of bubble wrap, but I can see there's a logo on there, so we must be getting somewhere near. Let's just take these off. I'm actually very excited about this. I'm tempted to keep one for myself, as you can imagine. And there we go, look at that. Wow, let's stand it up. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that going to look gorgeous in your craft room? I can already see it in my little sewing corner in the attic. Should we have a look inside? So at the top looks like we've got the 20 meters. They've obviously come all the way from Japan, so they're a little bit squished up, but we can put them out nicely and make them look really nice. So we're going from number 1, the white, right through the range here of the plain colours. And then next draw down we've got the newer plains that came out the other month, and then we've got onto the variegated colours. Beautiful. I'm sure you all use these quite a lot, and you'll recognise some of these. More of the variegated 20s, and then we're moving on to the 100 meters. This is the most popular one, the cream, the number 102. And then we've got, oh, they look gorgeous all lined up together. So we've got the full range of the 100 meters in the plains. These are some of the new ones that came out late last year, was it, I think? About October time. Absolutely beautiful. And then we're moving on to the neutrals and then onto the variegated. Oh my goodness, they just look so lovely lined up together. More of the variegated. There's the rainbow one on the end, the 301, is it? 301? Let me check. 301, yeah, that's the one that Susan Briscoe designed. Oh, sorry, I'm not square onto my cabinet, so it's a bit tricky opening the drawers. And then we've got the pastel rainbows and we've got the 40-meter awairo. It's lovely again to see them all lined up together. And it's good because they don't come in the plastic, so you don't have to dispose of those plastic wrappers. Now this is so full, it doesn't even want to open because it's got so much in it. It's got the awairo and then it's got the sparkly lame threads, which I'm sure some of you have used, particularly at Christmas time. They were very popular. And then finally at the bottom we've got all of the fine thread, the 3-ply thread balls, the 80 meters, and there's even like a tiny bit of room at the back there, so what you could do is put your needles or all your bits and bobs, your little thread snips and your thimble and that kind of thing in there as well, so you've got everything stored in one cabinet. So let's just have a little open them up again just to remind ourselves. As I say, there's over 650 pounds. Ooh, so many worth of thread in this beautiful cabinet. How wonderful is that? I think I'm definitely keeping one for myself. Bye.